Assalamualaikum and hi to all my friends and my madam Arnie Chia Liling, my lecturer for subject DUE 5012 Communicative English Stream. My name is Nur Azli Aina Benzi Azli, who holds the metric card number 23DBS 19F 2020. So, today, me and my team members are going to present about consumer satisfaction survey for courier service. Here my team members. First, tugas Sri Anak Perempuan Timohan. Second, Muhammad Alif Irfan binti Zumali. And the last one is Nur Afiza Antasha binti Muhammad Arshad. So, next presenter is tugas Sri.
Firstly, I want to talk about objective for this mini project. The first objective for this mini project is to study the courier services which is easy to use and reasonable price. The second objective for this mini project is to measure best courier service used by Polytechnic NILAI students to purchase in online platform. Number third is to suggest the consumer to choose the courier service that is best suit their needs. Number fourth is to find out the best certified courier service among Polytechnic NILAI students.
Hi, so I'm going to present about the introduction for our topic. Our topic is about consumer satisfaction with courier service in Malaysia such as JNT Express, NILAI Move, Ninja Van and many more. The reason why we choose to do this survey is because the consumer demand to use this service at this moment is high. This is because the world is now facing an epidemic that has claimed tens of thousands of lives, the coronavirus. The coronavirus-19 epidemic that asks everyone to stay at home and stay safe.
Now I want to talk about survey methodology for this mini project. We distribute our questionnaire to Polytechnic NILAI students in order to determine which courier service they prefer to employ to deliver their packages to their homes and offices, utilizing the best and most cost-effective courier services.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Afiza Antasha binti Muhammad Arshad, metric number 23DBS 19F2046. So now, I want to tell you about the result and findings of the consumer satisfaction survey for courier service. Okay, this table shows the course name of Polytechnic NILAI. Respondents for this survey were from different courses. As you can see, most respondents are from Diploma Business Information System with a total 50 students, followed by 7 students from Islamic Finance and Banking, 8 students from Logistics and Supply Chain Management, 6 students from Retail Management, 5 students from Landscape Horticulture, 4 students from Biotechnology, 3 students from Mechanical Engineering, and the last one, 2 students from Mechatronic Engineering. So the total number of respondents for the survey is 50 respondents. This table shows the class of NILAI Polytechnic students. Respondents consisted of DBS, DIB, DLS, DRM, DLH, DBT, DKM, and DEM classes. This table same as the previous table, which is table course name. All of the numbers are same as well. Let's start with our first question in questionnaire, which is which courier that consumer prefer the most. From the pie chart, clearly shows the majority of respondents prefer to use JNT Express by 62% compared to Ninja Van with 16%. Poslaju comes in third with 12%, and the last one is NILAI Move by 10%. Second question is how many times consumer use courier service in 1 to 3 months. According to the pie chart, 40% of respondents use 2 to 3 times and 22% of respondents use 3 to 4 times, followed by 20% of respondents use 4 to 5 times, and the last is 80% of respondents use 1 time. Third question is consumer star rating to preferred courier to the selected courier in the first question. For the vertical axis shows the number of respondents while the horizontal axis represent the rating star. Okay, as you can see, there was no rating for 1 and 2 star. Meanwhile, 6 of respondents gave 3 star. For 4 star were given by 21 of respondents, and the last one with the highest number of respondents was 5 star with a total 23 of respondents. First question is how long consumer parcel or stuff or document to arrive. We can see that less than 1 week was chosen by 52% of respondents in half of the pie chart. The choice of less than 3 days was chosen by 36 of respondents. The third largest segment was 12% of respondents who chose more than 1 week, and last, there is no respondent for 1 month. Fifth question is, fragile stuff are safe to use for selected courier? From the pie chart, with a total of 82% voting yes compared to 80% voting no, the majority of respondents chose yes for fragile stuff are safe to use. Sixth question is, consumer agrees to the price for selected shipping type. So, as you can see, it clearly shows that 80% of respondents agree very much with this statement, followed by 80% of respondents for not sure and 2% of respondents who choose disagree. Seventh question is ordering method used by consumer. The majority of respondents use the application method, which is 52% of respondents. For the website method, 22% of respondents, followed by telephone method, which are less only 8% of the website, there is 40% of respondents, and 12% of respondents choose walking method. Question 8 is alternative consumer consider before purchase. According to the pie chart, almost 3/4 of the pie chart use online banking, which is 72% of respondents. Debit or credit card came in second with 20% of respondents, and cash on delivery came in third with 8% of respondents. Question 9 is types of items that consumer often to buy online. As you can see, for the vertical axis show the number of respondents, while the horizontal axis represent the types of items. From the bar graph, we can see that the fashion is the highest than the others with 31 respondents. The second highest is health and beauty with 20 respondents. The third highest is food with 90 respondents. The fourth highest is home and living with 18 respondents. And the last one is electronic with only 12 respondents. Last question is feedback consumer to selected courier service. From the pie chart, as we can see, all the respondents give positive feedback to courier service, such as good is 58% of respondent and excellent is 42% of respondent.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So my name is Muhammad Irfan. Now I'm going to present about the conclusions, reference and also appendix for the consumer certification survey for their selected courier service. Now I'm going to explain about the conclusions. In conclusion, courier service companies is now need to carry out their responsibilities and trust in doing their job in the present COVID era. They need to meet the customer satisfaction and provide good service to them. Courier service like Post Laju, Lalamu need to improve the quality of their service in order to compete with the other courier service such as GNT, which has already as a delivery of goods, recipients of goods also. So for the part of recommendation for the selected customer courier service, first we need to improve the delivery time of the package with the time that has been set and safely reach the destination of the user. Second, the courier service need to expand and improve the other of payment system such as online banking, cash on delivery and credit card also. And third, all courier service need to generate and expand more applications and also website to generate more users to use their system. And for the last recommended, the courier service must take care of consumer goods by disciplining employees to not damage the customer consumers goods and improve the qualities of their service to the consumers. So next slide, I will go to the reference. Hi, so this is our slides for reference, and now I will show you the data and also the information from reference that we have choose. Firstly is Portal CIDOS, Communicative English Guidelines, and second is website. This is our websites for reference. And next we go to the appendix, and this is our last slide about appendix, and which is we have a link of Google Forms, which is consumer satisfaction survey about their selected courier service. So yeah, that's all from us about consumer satisfaction survey for the selected courier service, and I hope our videos and our presentation can be understood and accepted by Miss Alni. Thank you so much. That's all from us.